The U.S. Supreme Court has preserved access to a commonly used abortion drug. The unanimous ruling is the first on abortion since the court struck down Roe v. Wade 2 years ago. The CBC's Richard Madden is on the story in Washington.
This is a big one because, as you noted, it was the first major case before the Supreme Court on reproductive rights since it overturned Roe v. Wade 2 years ago. So a decision either way was being closely watched. And now, this morning, the High Court unanimously rejected a lawsuit challenging the use of abortion pill mifepristone, basically tossing out the case, saying the anti-abortion doctors who filed it didn't have standing. So this means mifepristone will stay on the market and will still remain accessible by mail to those seeking an end to their pregnancies. Now, this decision is a major setback for the anti-abortion movement and those who challenge the Food and Drug Administration's decision to make it easier to access it. But here's something to keep in mind. The Supreme Court dismissed the case instead of making a ruling, so that could leave the door open for this to return to court in another case. I'm going to read from you a little bit of what Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote on the court's decision, basically saying plaintiffs may have legal, moral, and policy objections to the FDA's regulation of the abortion pill, but the courts are the wrong place to argue it. He suggests try Congress or in the political arena. So this is one of several cases before the High Court challenging abortion laws or looking to restrict access. We're also keeping out for another decision. That's expected soon, whether Idaho's strict abortion ban makes doctors liable for performing abortions in emergency rooms when a pregnant woman is facing life-threatening complications. So we had the one this morning. We're expecting the one in Idaho soon. And these decisions will no doubt reverberate in the political arena. Democrats are making abortion access a major issue in November's election.
That's the CBC's Richard Madden in Washington.